This is called rebound test hammer. Fine. Now we will check the column. This is calibration certificate. Rebound test hammer. Dressing stone. Used for grinding stone. Rebound test hammer instruction. Now we will open this and we will check how we can use it. The rebound test hammer. Okay. This is rebound test hammer. This is scale gauge. Fine. This is graph showing degrees: 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, minus 0, minus 45, minus 90 degree, all 3 degrees showing this. This is a head plunger. Here is lock button. I can show you. This is the lock button. Now this is new machine, so now I am opening this. You will see that this is lock button. When you open it, I will open this. This is called lock button. This is lock button. Fine. And the next video I will show you how to use it. Now this is only the instrument description. This is grinding stone, rebound test hammer, this is graph scale, and this is calibration. Everything okay. This is plunger spring, internal spring extra. I will show you in the next video. I will show you how to do testing of concrete by rebound test hammer.